Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I'm in the beautiful little historic center of San Nicola Arcella today, and I have to tell you, this is a very, very special place. And I know we've featured some houses from around here recently, but I really wanted to show you some of what it looks like in summer when the weather is better, because I know some of them were filmed in the rain and whatnot. So here we are in San Nicola Arcella. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It is a very desirable area, and you will see why when we go through the historic center. Now, this historic center is different than a lot of historic centers in that there's not a lot of hills and big steps and climbing and that sort of thing. If you have mobility issues, this might be the place for you. Now, we are in the second piazza. There are two piazzas here. The first one is just steps away with the restaurants, the wine bars, the shops, the souvenirs, and everything else. Now, it is a little bit up from the sea. So in summer, they have a shuttle that picks you up at the parking lot, which is just a short walk away, takes you down to the sea, picks you up when you're done, and drops you off at the parking lot again, and everything is within walking distance. I have to say, San Nicola is one of the prettiest historic centers I've seen, and we have properties coming up that are featured that are either very close to the historic center or right smack in the middle of it. So stay tuned, guys.